Man, let's jump straight into some content around the shop, man. We got some deals coming out this year, 2023. It's February 10th. Man, I just want to jump in, let y'all see some stuff going around the shop. Try to get more subscribers, direct. People who want to lock in, all the info is on the page. When you see the video, you see something you like, just go to the top of the page. You better get the info to the shop, location, number, how to contact us. Man, let's go.
Yeah. Perry been shooting. Lost a lot to the streets, still in the hustling. A generation when I flush. Let them think it's sweet, like a candy paint. Made me call it Dtown Kustomz.
It's that 75 Caprice. It's getting busted down right now. We're going back in for, let's see, we got a little dirt. So we're going back in for a re-clear. It's pretty much everything get a re-clear at the level of where we at. Mom, let's do a re-clear. Just gonna give it, block it down with some 600. Hit it with another 3 coats. See, this is our standard quick in and out job, bumper job, $500. In and out. We'll paint that tonight. Be out here Monday. Along the hood. Buff this out. This car been giving me hell. I wouldn't say really hell, just trying to perfect, make sure no dirt in the car. So that's why we brought it in the booth. Better lighting while we west in and buff it. That's my boy Paco right there. That's my boy Edgar. That other 75 is getting put back together. We went back in and shaved that firewall, so we got that ready to go. Got all the pieces for it. Everything, these all leaving this month, February. Take y'all to the other side where we start all the projects. This that Caprice, painted candy. Got a couple other pieces to put on it and put the bumpers back on. We'll drop the video of it once it's put back together. It's LS swap. We subbed that out on the LS swap. Cleaned up the wires. That's about it on it. And we can get that one back down to South Carolina. Yeah, I believe South Carolina. Yeah. Take y'all to the other side. Let me let y'all body. This side ain't been wet sand. What's that G body frame we been working on? Frame knots. Then we extended it back here. Hold off on that, Dan. See how we brought it over here. That way we're going 26 or 7-inch lip. You need way more room. Then we're gonna do some cross bracing. We ain't done with it, but it's just the beginning. Vinaigrette in. Flip it over. So we have to do all the spot patching where the bushings sit. Anywhere it's bad that you just ring it. And we'll probably sand it all the way down, paint it, or sandblast it. Couple days away from getting primer on this thing. Finally got the emblems in. So we got to close all these holes up. The emblems fit on here a little different. He went from the Impala emblem to say Super Sport, and it's only 4 holes. And that's kind of what we've been waiting on before we get this in primer. We didn't want to have to take a step back and be welding on the car. So we'll close these holes up in the next day or so, put the new holes in it for the emblems, and get this thing in primer. Get some better light over here. I don't know, my lights ain't working, y'all. Yeah, I ain't getting no lights. I don't know what's going on. Hey, is it a Scott? Gotta be a fuse out or something. Lights ain't coming on. So we're getting this engine bay. Fenders bust down. We're gonna get this thing off not completely off the frame, but if you see down here, that floor ain't connected, which is a new floor in there, but they didn't clean up their edges, so we're gonna cut them edges. Sorry for the background noise, they working. I know y'all seen this. This became a lot of work. I couldn't, look, body mount section completely gone. We're gonna cut this section out, get it in there. We got our rear floor patched in. We left the edges because we're gonna do a full tub on it. Got the floor all the way out. Y'all see the tubs. Mini tub. You know, body mount. Core support, pretty shot. See right there. So we looking for a new core support right now. And we get this major part done, then we'll start on our T-top section. We got that bed completely welded up on the rear, no seams. Welded all the way up, seamed it. Back to our truck. We're starting to lay all our parts off for the truck because we're gonna pre-assemble, check everything for the frame off. Got all our suspension parts. Man, we didn't take this truck originally apart. It came somewhat like this, so we just want to double check everything, pretty much put the truck together one time and take it back apart. We got on our Buick and Firebird interiors ready to go. We about to take the seats to the interior shop, which is my buddy. He actually do the sewing on the seats. We do all the fab work, all the door panels, center console, rear decks, dashboards right here. But the sewing part on the actual seats, like I said, I just slide them over to my buddy at the shop where the sewing machine at. He get busy. This is another one of the in and outs. Just a little quick job, nothing major. Y'all stay tuned with the channel. That's pretty much the builds that are at the shop, all the stages they in, like that. We got a 66 Chevelle coming soon. Another 70s Camaro coming soon. And we got a lot of press, like y'all say. Y'all stay in tune with the channel. Get ready for Dtown Whip Fest 2.0 this summer, August 5th. Man, if y'all in the area, man, come out and support, come out and have a good time. You know, we trying to make a name with the car show stuff, same as with these builds. Man, lock in, y'all.